I was really passionate about sports, and so was my partner, ex-partner. You know, it feels really weird to say that even now. We moved in pretty fast. We got jobs and all of that stuff. Then we had Max, which was amazing, but then everything started changing. There was no more sort of, you know, make it up as you go along. Over time, we started growing apart more and more. It was like living with a stranger. There was definitely a moment where I think we could both see the end. I think we both knew. My biggest question was what's going to happen to Max. And when you're a kid, it can get so confusing. When mum and dad don't get along very well, there were so many other things. The house, super. I was a freelancer, so I didn't have anything. And my partner had a lot of it. I was so scared, and I thought that I would end up with nothing. And I thought that for some reason I'd have to move in with my parents. I know it seems ridiculous now, but when suddenly your life turns around and it changes completely, you really fear for the worst. Yeah, I felt scared. The best thing that I did was get really good legal help early on. It made everything so much easier. The lawyers that I met really understood me, and when I told them my situation, to them it was like they've done this before and it wasn't a big deal, but they knew that for me it was a huge, big deal. I never felt rushed, and I never felt like they were trying to draw things out or make things complicated. They even told me things that I didn't even know or didn't even think about. They wanted the same thing as me, which was to get this sorted as quickly as possible. And I'm so grateful that that happened. I have to say that I am so much happier now. I'm sure we both are. I'm sure Max can feel it too, which is the most important thing. If I had to say anything to people that were in my situation, I suppose I would say just know that things get better and it's not going to be as bad as you think. Make sure that you have support, you know, from your friends or from your community, and make sure you get really good legal help early on. It makes things so much easier. Yeah.